Guys, what's up? It's Mr. Selby here. Today we are going to be practicing one of the online quizzes for Chapter 3, Lesson 5. So we're going to go through all the answers on here, and I'm hoping that by me going over how to take this quiz, it will help you guys in the future for trying to solve some of the problems on your own. All right? So the parallel postulate states if there is a line and a point not on the line, then there exists blank line through the point that is parallel to the given line. So if you've got a line and then you've got a point that's not on the line, so like let's just say this is a line, you got a point up here, then there exists how many lines that are parallel with this line that go through that point? It could be 0, it could be more than 1, it could be infinitely many, or it could be exactly 1. The answer for this one is actually straight from the previous lesson. Hopefully you watched it. Hopefully you understand what's going on. If you did not watch that lesson, I would really encourage you to go back and watch that, but it is exactly 1. All right? So if angle 1 is congruent to angle 2, which lines must be parallel? So angle 1 and angle 2 appear to be parallel via alternate exterior angles. So looks like this would have to be the transversal. So that means this line AE, all right, would have to be congruent with line DF, okay? So EB is not right because that's a sideways line. We want these two vertical lines. AE and BF, okay, that would work. AD is a sideways line. CF is a sideways line. So the only one that would work would be B, all right? So find the value of X so that J is parallel to K. All right, so as you can see, here's J, here's K. This must be the transversal. Therefore, these are alternate interior angles, and for them to be congruent, that would mean that J is congruent to K. So 5x plus 17 would have to equal 8x minus 4, and we'd have to solve it. Luckily for you guys, Mr. Selby might have already solved it. Let's see. Oh, here we are. Hopefully you guys can see this. So alternate interior angles are equal. So 5x plus 17 equals 8x minus 4. Add 4 to both sides. You're going to 5x plus 17, add 4 to that, you're going to get 5x plus 21. 8x minus 4, add 4 to that, you're going to get just 8x. The negative 4 and the positive 4 cancel out. Then subtract 5x from both sides. 5x minus 5x equals nothing, so 21 just comes down. 8x minus 5x equals 3x, so you've got 21 equals 3x. Divide by 3 on both sides. 21 divided by 3 is going to be 7. 3x divided by 3 is going to be x. X equals 7. So let's take a quick look at this. Perfect. 7 is one of the options. We're riding pretty smooth here through 3. We got 2 more left, I believe. Yep. 2 more left. So find the value of x so that line MN is parallel to line PQ. Okay. So this would have to be a line that's parallel to this line, and this would have to be the transversal. So these lines right here would have to be consecutive interior angles. So let's go over to this. Luckily, Mr. Selby already worked this out. They're consecutive interior angles. That must mean they are supplementary. So x minus 20 plus 4x plus 15 equals 180. Combine your like terms. X plus 4x is going to be 5x. Minus 20 and positive 15 is going to be minus 5. So 5x minus 5 equals 180. Okay. Add 5 to both sides to get rid of the minus 5. You're going to get the minus 5 is going to cancel out. 5x is going to drop down. 180 plus 5 is going to be 185. 5x equals 185. Then to get rid of x, what you got to do is divide by 5 on both sides. And 5x divided by 5 is just going to be x. 185 divided by 5 is going to be 37. And that is the answer number 4. All right. Last one here. Wow, this is a quick video. You guys are lucky today. Which statement cannot be used to prove EF is parallel to RS? So we've got EF right here. We've got RS right here. So remember, parallel lines have the same slope. So this statement can be used to prove, and we're looking for cannot. So if you read through this quickly, you might just do that and then hit grade. You get it wrong. All right. EF is congruent to RS. I don't know how lines. No, that wouldn't work. That has nothing to do with slope. Okay. First of all, we're looking at lines, not line segments. Okay. And it doesn't matter what the length of the line segments are. It doesn't really change anything. Angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. Well, those are alternate interior angles, so if they were congruent, both these lines would be parallel. Angle 3 is congruent to angle 4. Those are corresponding angles, so if they were congruent, then both these lines would have to be parallel. So it looks like EF being congruent to RS would be the only ones that would be an issue. Let's grade the quiz. 5 out of 5. Mr. Selby does it again. Boom. Let's go. All right. I'm psyched. I hope you guys are too. We did it. Well, I did it. You guys might have helped. Hopefully you did it too. You can do it. Yeah, I want you to do this and get 100%. Great job. Yeah. All right. So good job today, everyone. Hopefully everybody's staying healthy, happy, hydrated, and safe during these times. Don't forget to drink your water. And that actually reminds me. Make sure that everything is going well. And yeah, please reach out to me if you need any help. You can always message me on Schoology or come to email me or just come to class. That'd be great. All right. Hope everything's going well. Ciao.